A living room adorned with lush greenery transforms into a vibrant, inviting sanctuary. Elegant foliage and unique leaf patterns add texture, color, and freshness, enhancing any decor style. With the right balance of height, shape, and greenery, these natural accents create a soothing atmosphere and a stylish, timeless focal point. Let's explore some stylish indoor plants for living room. Pinstripe calathea, Calathea ornata, is a striking tropical houseplant admired for its large, deep green leaves adorned with delicate pinkish-white stripes resembling fine brushstrokes. Native to South America, it thrives in warm, humid environments with indirect light. Its leaves have a unique day-night movement, gently folding upward in the evening. The pinstripe calathea adds elegance and sophistication to interiors, making it a popular decor choice. It prefers moist, well-draining soil and benefits from regular misting to maintain humidity. Non-toxic to pets, it's a safe option for households. With proper care, it rewards owners with year-round lush, patterned foliage. Monstera deliciosa, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a stylish tropical houseplant admired for its large, glossy green leaves with dramatic splits and holes. Native to Central America's rainforests, it brings a bold, exotic flair to interiors. This climbing beauty can grow tall with proper support, creating a striking focal point in living spaces. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering. In its natural habitat, it bears edible fruit with a sweet, pineapple-like taste. Low maintenance yet elegant, the Monstera deliciosa remains a stylish and timeless choice for modern home decor. African mask plant, Alocasia amazonica, is a stylish tropical beauty prized for its dramatic, shield-like leaves marked with bold white veins against deep green surfaces. Originating from hybrid cultivation, it brings a striking, exotic vibe to any living space. Its sculptural form makes it a natural focal point, perfect for modern decor. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, high humidity, and evenly moist, well-draining soil. Its unique foliage creates visual depth and texture, elevating interiors with a touch of sophistication. While toxic if ingested, its allure and elegance make it a coveted choice for stylish indoor plant collections. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae, is a stylish tropical plant admired for its bold, banana-like leaves and spectacular, crane-shaped flowers that resemble a bird in flight. Native to South Africa, it adds an exotic, architectural flair to living spaces. Even without blooms, its lush foliage makes a striking statement, perfect for modern and tropical decor. Thriving in bright, indirect light, and tolerating some direct sun, it prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering. When cared for properly, it rewards with vibrant orange and blue flowers, bringing a touch of paradise indoors. Elegant and dramatic, it remains a favorite for stylish interior design. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata, is a tall, dramatic houseplant known for its large, violin-shaped leaves with a glossy, deep green finish. Native to the tropical rainforests of West Africa, it thrives in bright, filtered light and prefers well-draining soil with moderate watering. Its upright growth and bold foliage make it a natural statement piece in living spaces. With the right care, the fiddle leaf fig can reach impressive heights, transforming interiors into lush, vibrant retreats. Its presence adds a timeless, nature-inspired elegance, making it one of the most stylish choices for modern home decor. Flamingo flower, Anthurium andrinum, is a captivating tropical plant admired for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and long-lasting, waxy blooms in vivid shades of red, pink, or white. Native to Central and South America, it thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys high humidity with consistently moist, well-draining soil. Its unique, glossy spathes and yellow spadix bring vibrant color and texture to indoor spaces year-round. Often seen as a symbol of hospitality, it makes an eye-catching addition to tabletops, shelves, or plant stands. With its bold form and exotic charm, the flamingo flower remains a truly stylish accent for interior decor. Areca palm, Dipsas luteolens, is a graceful tropical plant known for its feathery, arching fronds that bring a light, airy feel to interiors. Native to Madagascar, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil with regular watering to keep the soil lightly moist. Its lush, fountain-like growth makes it an excellent choice for filling empty corners or creating a natural room divider. Beyond its decorative appeal, it also helps purify indoor air, adding both beauty and freshness to living spaces. With its elegant presence, the Areca palm is a stylish way to infuse a home with tropical charm. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a bold, resilient houseplant valued for its large, glossy leaves in deep green, burgundy, or variegated patterns. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer to dry between waterings. Its upright growth and broad foliage create a strong visual impact, making it ideal as a focal point in living rooms or offices. Low maintenance yet visually striking, the rubber plant offers a timeless appeal that complements modern interiors and adds a stylish touch to any decor. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is a hardy indoor plant recognized for its upright, sword-like leaves patterned with green bands and yellow or white edges. Native to West Africa, it tolerates a wide range of light conditions, from low light to bright, indirect sun, and thrives on minimal watering. Its architectural form makes it perfect for adding structure and height to indoor spaces, while its air-purifying qualities contribute to a healthier environment. With its easy care and striking appearance, the snake plant is a stylish and enduring choice for both modern and classic decor settings. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a versatile indoor plant admired for its lush, patterned leaves that range from deep green to silvery or even pink-tinged varieties. Native to tropical and subtropical Asia, it thrives in low to moderate light and prefers well-draining soil kept evenly moist. Its compact growth and vibrant foliage make it a perfect choice for brightening corners, desks, or tabletops. Highly adaptable and forgiving, it's ideal for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. Combining beauty with resilience, the Chinese evergreen adds a refreshing presence to interiors and brings a subtle yet stylish charm to any living space.